Who gave you permission to touch the child in this manner?
We provide a lot of comfort to kids.
Not my question.
Accused of inappropriate behavior, the social worker who supervised Maya Kowalski at Johns Hopkins All Children's takes a stand. We're so glad you're here with us at 5:30. I'm Emerald Morrow in for Courtney Robinson.
I'm Justin Orwood. Since the beginning, the name Catherine Bedy has come up time and time again, and it's because she spent more time with Maya than her parents did during her 3-month stay at Johns Hopkins. 10 Tampa Bay's Adoria Chumba shows you how she's now defending herself in court against the family's accusations.
Social worker Cathi Bedy was the go-between for the hospital and the Department of Children and Families on orders related to Maya Kowalski's case. Today on the stand, Bedy denying allegations the Kowalski family has lodged against her.
The CPI asked me to go in and let Maya know that she wasn't going to be able to go home for Christmas. It was a really hard conversation.
Bedy said part of her job was passing communications to Maya, which included sharing bad news.
She was just sobbing. She asked if she could sit in my lap, and I said sure. I hugged her. She cried for a good 10 minutes or so. And she was mad, and she was saying all kinds of things about wanting to talk to the judge.
On the stand, Maya had testified Bedy was inappropriate with her at times, an accusation Bedy denied. Bedy also said visitors of any child under state care had to be screened and pre-approved. Some of the issues the Kowalskis raised was that she restricted family from contacting Maya, including removing the room phone.
Mrs. Kowalski had made lots of phone calls to Maya on I guess it was a Saturday, because that was the day Nancy worked. And there wasn't supposed to be any contact.
Bedy also denied allegations she told Maya her mom was in a mental home. She was also accused of eavesdropping on conversations, but Bedy testifying the voice on many of the calls in question was not her. Bedy also explained Maya was a fall risk and had to be supervised by staff with the door open at all times. And then there's the red Christmas dress Maya's dad, Jack Kowalski, claimed never got to Maya.
Once I got the email from him, I went to find the dresses, and they were actually in the social work office, and then I took them to Maya.
Photos shown to jurors in court today showed Maya wearing similarly described dresses on both Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. In Venice, Adoria Chumba, 10 Tampa Bay.
The Kowalski family is suing Johns Hopkins for emotional distress amounting to $220 million. They say that the hospital should not have separated Maya from her family when she was put into state custody for 3 months.